For this single crochet back loop ribbing, I have my chunky cotton yarn, my 5mm hook, and we start with the slip knot. Insert the hook, yarn over, and pull through the loop. Make the first chain, the second chain, the third chain. So you make as many chains as you want according to what you want to make. There are no multiples in this pattern. You just make as many chains as you want that suit anything that you want to make. So I've made these few ones. Insert the hook into the second chain from the hook, yarn over, and pull through. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops. That's our first single crochet. Insert the hook, yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through 2. So the first row we are making single crochets the whole row. Pull through, yarn over and pull through 2. Insert the hook, pull it out, yarn over and pull through 2. So repeat this right up to the end of the row. It's only the standard normal crochet that you're doing here in the first row. The change only starts to come from the second row. That's when we start crocheting. And the back loops, that's our last stitch there. Then we chain 1 as the turning chain. We skip the turning chain and insert the hook into the back loop of the first stitch, the back loop only. There, yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Insert the hook into the next back loop, pull it out, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Insert the hook into the back loop, pull it out, yarn over and pull through 2. So we continue doing this right up to the end of the row. Remember, we're inserting in back loops only and not in both loops like the standard single crochet. It's only the back loops that we are working in, and here we're almost at the end. Work into the last one as well, into the last back loop only, and pull through. We now have something like this, and we chain 1 is our turning chain. Again, we skip the turning chain and insert into the back loop and make a single crochet. Again, we insert into the next back loop, pull up, yarn over and pull through 2. So this is our pattern of working into the back loops only for us to have a stretchy ribbing. We should work into the back loops only. So we're almost there, and our ribbing seems to be coming out there. We're almost at the end. So I've made something like this. See, it's a bit stretchy there. Should be stretchy like this. Thank you so much for watching.